The X6 is all new for 2020. Receives tech and motors refreshes from the overhauled X5. Up to a large portion of a second snappier than a year ago's model. Launches the third X6 age for 2020. Shopper evaluations and surveys are likewise accessible for the 2020 BMW X6 and all its trim kinds. Customer surveys enable clients to filter through totaled shopper audits to comprehend what different drivers are stating about any vehicle in our database. Nitty-gritty rating breakdowns, counting execution, comfort, esteem, inside, outside structure, assemble quality, and dependability, are accessible also to furnish customers with a far-reaching comprehension of why clients like the 2020 X6. When you have distinguished a trade-in vehicle you're keen on, check the Carfax and AutoCheck vehicle history reports, read seller surveys, and discover what different proprietors paid for the 2020 BMW X6.